Hey guys, Jasmine Monroe here. I'm here to tell you all about how to get the perfect home manicure using one of my favorite brands, LA Colors. Alright guys, so first we're going to start out with some acetone. What this is going to do is help prepare that base of your nail with any debris. It's going to get all of that off and it's going to just have a clean base for whatever is next. So your nail polish will last a lot longer. Then you're going to go in with your clippers. If you want to even out your nails, you can. And then after that, I'm going to go in and I am going to get my cuticle pusher. And this is gonna clean anything from underneath your nails, but as well as push back those cuticles so that way you can have a very, very clean and full nail bed to work with. Now we're gonna go in and we're gonna file our nails. If you want your nails to last a little bit longer, I prefer the square round, which is taking the file straight across and then just curving out, rounding out those edges. Now what I'm gonna do is you can grab any buffer that you have at home, but I got this one, snagged this one from Dollar General, and I'm gonna just use side one to even out. And what this is gonna do is make sure that that nail is good and smooth and buffed out in order to ensure that your polish goes on super even and super smooth. All right, next and final, before we apply color, we're gonna go right back in with that acetone and we are just gonna wipe the nail beds clean of any dust, debris. We don't want any bumpy nail polish. All right, now I'm gonna go in with one of my favorite brands, LA Colors. This is a gel polish. And one thing I really love is that the brush, it's not too long and it's not too short, which means that you're gonna have really great precision on getting this brush on the nail and you're not gonna have a lot of messes. So we're gonna just go in with that. Make sure you just get a little dot on the edge, and we are just going to make sure we don't get too close to that cuticle. And that's what it looks like after the first coat. This is why this brand is one of my favorites. Look at that. My nails are already dry. So now we're gonna go in with our second coat and we're gonna do the same thing, but we're just gonna make this coat a little thicker and bring it around those edges a little closer. All right, you guys, that is all for today's manicure at home. I had so much fun showing you one of my favorite brands to get the most perfect home manicure, and I hope that you guys enjoy the brand as well. I look forward to seeing some of you guys' home manicures. Until next time.